Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the Hindu 14 January. Editorial Move assault and stripe and 3 men for the stealing phone on no arrest 8 in Delhi. 3 men were the stupid and nagged and the beaten. Nagged and beaten up by other men for the LRGD and the stealing mobile phone in the North Delhi and the Narela. The police said on Saturday. The police said on Saturday the purported video of the assault and wants and the viral on the social medias, and according to the police the PCRs and call was the received on the Saturday is the 11:65 a.m. and where's the callers? Where's the callers? Hey! विराट हे भोलेनाथ. According to the police and PCRs and call was the received on the Saturday is the 11:56 a.m. and where the callers said he see the mob of the nearby and 30 pupils and trying up and the hand of the threes and men and then the trips and beings. Them nagged the callers and the said he say the scenes and untold. After the scenes and of his the sister and the Narela railway station, an officer said if the purported video and the victims and could be the seen standing in the front of the shop while the mob strips and them the nagged members of the mob and could also be the seen and pulling the man and by theirs the hairs and assaulting and them and with wooden stick and setting the victims and clothes on fire. In other purported and videos of the incident and the mob and could be the scene and the assaultings the victims and with the bullets and sticks, and a case was the registered and at the Narela police stations. Narela police station under the section 341 and wrong and full the restraint and the 355 assault on any the persons and intending to dishonors and the 34 criminals act done by the several pupils and with and commas the intentions of the Indian Penal Code looking for victims. All effort are the being made to the track the victims and of the offenders DCP and others. Outers the North and Ravi Kumar Singh and said and the officers and said that the perpetrators and did not hand the 3 men over to the police but decided and to take matters and into theirs the own hands, and it is it and to be the verified whether the 3 and the victims and where the could and stealing mobiles and phones, the officer added. Little has changes in 2 years and women bus and drivers. Alisha Dutta, New Delhi in August and 2022, and the Delhi Transport Corporations, the Delhi Transport Corporation and DTC inducted, and it's the first batch of the women and bus drivers. Other decisions many they describe as the historicals, and 2 years later and women driver and say the working in the male dominated space still and evolved. The varied and the response and from the public, and Ben be the drive and B are the subjected into other slay and of the stand, and most of them the armed. It used for the beings and women, and said the 36 years old Sunita Devi, who left her the homes and in the Haryanas and to the work as the bus driver in the capital. The DTC had and the inducted 11 women into the fleet in 2022 today, and there are the 60 women bus drivers and employed and by the transport body. Other teeny numbers and the compared to their the 9,500 males and counterpart. The women and are the head on the contractuals and basis, like the 5,000 over the drivers on the fleets, and now as same, and some of them near the complete of the second and stand and of there, and 1 years the extendables and the contract and the boomers, and claim they are the standing at the same sports and where they the started. And when we the first joint and the DTC, and we were the told and that if we worked well and we would be the mid and permanents and employees, and other the salaries over the salaries and would be the increase, and said the Babita Dhawan, and who the joined the DTC thinking the job and would give her financial security, but was the dismayed to see no changes in either the natures of the contract or the pay. And we make the 800 dailies and for the 8 hours of the works, and no works entails no pay. And MS the Dhawan said in adding that the sea is the hardly and left with the anything to say. Meanwhile, other senior DTC officer said that the women's driver have the nearly never been in the accident, and the state government is the consider increasing the numbers of the women and drivers and Ben be the bus and are the added and to the fleets. And he said that despite this, women drivers said that they have received the neither higher compensations nor the better sparks. We do not even get paid on the government holidays, and like the permanents driver do, said the Neetu Devi. However, the job and does have some upsides, and some the female passengers and have told me having other women drivers and make them feel safer, and which is the matters of the pride, she added. 2 days after other 19-year-old pregnant partner hold for bid to the kill pregnant woman. 2 days after other 19 years and old pregnant woman and was the found critically injured in the East Delhi and Mayurs. Bihar's her the 23 years old partner are arrested on the Saturday for the trying to the murder her, the police said. And the Yogesh Ded, and 23 attacked the victim, and who is the recuperating and at the Lok Nayak's hospitals and with a saving the blades and the scray and drivers as he the wanted her and to the aboard the pregnancy, other seniors officer said. And the police had rescued and the victims, and after she was the found near the fire station in the East Delhi and the Chila village with injuries on the her and face and neck and the body. The victims and the data are the resident of the Chilas and had been in other relationships and for the last 3 to 4 years. The officer said, adding that the weapons are used by the accused and have been the saged, and the two had the arguments, and after this he proposed and getting the married and raising the child prima facie. It is the appears and that he the threats need and her to the take abortions and pills and even the attack and her with stone. He added according to the victims and the causes her the addition is the critical due to the loss of the blood. The police are the waiting and to record her the statement and he said the adding that the only her younger sisters and now of the relationship. She was attacked on the Wednesday night while the returning from the Ayurvedic clinic and where she was the undergoing and training her the fathers and is the paralyzed and she is the family and soul the yearning members the cousin said. Give detail of the encroachment in the Asola Bhati. The High Court has asked the City and Department of the Forest and Wildlife to the furnish and detail on the status and the extent of the encroachment and in the central ridge areas and Asola Bhatis and wildlife sanctuaries in its orders dated and January 11. The court told the Delhi government the Delhi government and to file an hearing the pill and the plea initiatives and by the itself and in the 2050 Delhi. Literary trivia challenges and the agent has and Christians and the first novel and the affairs at the styles and was the inspired by the murder and the mystery in which the Indian towns and name the book and who's the rights and where the purchases and by the productions house and even before it's the competitions and was the letters and adapted into the famous movie and what was the titles of the movie adapted from Roman. ED arrested 5 for their the alleged and role in the Rajasthan and exam paper leak case and the Probab an agency had the earlier conducted two and the searches and aid the 22 premises and on June 5 and the October 13 and the last year and had the provisionally attached movables and the immovables and properties and worth about the 3.11 crores. The enforcement and the decorated ED has the arrested and 5 the permanent. 5 persons and 4 there's the alleges and involvings in the papers leak and case of the senior teachers and second grade competition examination 2022 in the Rajasthan. The accused have been identified as the Surendra Kumar Ali's and Suren Sahu and village and Dimore, Pira Ram and the Pukhraj and Arun Sharmas and the agency has taken and them into the 3 days and custody for recordings and there the statement the money laundering and the proof is based on the several first information report registered and the charge sheet and filed by the state and police against the accused and Babulal Kataras and Anil Kumar Meenas and allies. Shared Singh Meenas and the 5 persons are arrested and by other ED according to the agencies and Mr. The Sarma and the provided 29 examination candidates and 4 whose the leakage and papers and were arrested too. were arrested to the Central Probe Agency and has taken the 5 accused into the 3 days in custody and for the recordings and there the statement and file photo. Then Mr. Meena is the use of the 2 lakhs and per head, and he also the paid and 10 lakh in the advance and to the Mr. Meenas and to get the leakage papers and for the candidates. Tutoring's right answer and the Mr. Pira Ramsan had the allegedly and the provided his Avan bus for the facilitating and the tutorings and the rights and answers of the leakage and the questions paper to the candidate on the instructions of the Mr. Siu and another the accused Mr. Pukhraj was also involved. The money laundering probe is based on the several FIR and the charge sheets and filed by the state police against the accused and the Babulal Kataras and Anil Kumar Meena and the 5 persons arrested by the ED and so involved as he the arrested the stay of candidates and as the assisted and them in the providing the solution of the leakage questions paper and also the appears in the examinations hold on the December 21 2022 and for which he got the leakage paper from the MR Sau and furthers the Suresh and Sau was the actively and involved in the paper leak and case for the provised and amount of the 1 crores and from the Bhupendra Saran and the Suresh Dhaka he took and the leakage questions papers from his the brothers-in-law and the main and the mastermind of the paper leak scams and Suresh Dhaka and provide the questions papers and the solutions to the appearings the candidate the agency and said on the Saturday copying the questions and Mr. Demore and had the allegedly and returns down the questions and of the GK paper in other registered and on the instructions of his the maternals and uncles and the Babulal and Kataras the Rajasthan Public Service Commission's member he supplied the registered and to the Mr. Meenas and who sent the same to the Mr. Mr. Sharma and the other in the exchange for money and as alleged in the case and ED and had the earlier and conducted two searches and 8 the 22 and premises on the June 5 and 2023 and October 13 2023 it had the provisionally and attached the movables and immovables and properties worth about the 3.11 crore of the Mr. and the Kataras and Mr. Meenas and others on the August 18 2023. Earlier the agency had also the arrested Mr. the Kataras and Mr. Meenas and Mr. Sharans and filed other prosecutions and complaint against them on the November 9 last year. Remind people of the Congress and the misrules in Rajasthan CM. The Hindu Bureau, Jaipur. Rajasthan Chief Minister and the Bhajan Lal Sharma and on the Saturday and called upon the BJP workers to the remind the pupils and of the most and corrupt rules of the Congress until the 2014 in the run up and to this the years and Lok Sabha elections and the Mr. the Sharma said the sense of the provides in the culturals and had the heritages and the deliverages and from the salaries and would enables the parties and workers to the convent and the public aid the large to vote for the BJP and Mr. the Sharma's address the BJP's and office barriers and the party workers at the end of either 2 days and the marathons and meetings organized hers to the deliberated and on the road maps and to win all the 25 Lok Sabha seat in the state in the upcoming elections. Union minister from the state and the senior BJP leaders and address the various session while former chief minister and the Bhashundra and Raje and was the conspicuous and why her the absences. The chief minister said the public welfare and scheme the initiative by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and should be the propagated among the pupils and to the make and them wares of the BJP plug and to the turn India and into either developed. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma and country by the 2047 and beside the Prime Minister Nines and the Agrahas and entreaties and should be the conveyanced into each the household and to get there the support and for his the movement, yes, and vision, he said, and focus on the 11 seat the organizations and meetings and discuss the issues and the challenges and the challenges and identified by the party in the different and region and including the Shekha, Bati and tribal district and the eastern Rajasthan. The participated and focused on 11 assembly seats in thus the regions and where the BJP and did not the perform very well in the election held in the November 2023. BJP state President C.P. Joshi and said the party and besides taking the government work to the public and would name remains and aid the forefront in the people service. Looking to the booster SP base in the eastern UP and Akhilesh warms up and to the Ansaris and election years. Mayank Kumar with the dated and for the Lok Sabha election and said to be and the declared and soon the Samajwadi parties and SPN has the hinted and aid the mandatings and teas and with the Ansaris and families that the build in the fluence in the Purvanchals and the eastern Uttar Pradesh and to the strengthen its the electoral prospects in the regions. In the region, the move comes and following the ASP and the former Ali and the Om Prakash and the Rajbhar and lead the Suhail Dev and the Bharatiya Janata Party and ASB with influences over the Rajbhar. Rajbhar voted in the eastern UP and joining the BJP and led the NDA and last years and the BSP and maintaining its the stand of the going solo in the parliamentary polls. जो आप सोच रहे हो वही बात है और the matters is the extractly and what on yours the mind and SP the chief Akhilesh Yadav recently told reporters in the Bhalia and when the asked if the parties and plan to the feed BSP. MP Afzal and the Ansarian from the Gazipur and in the elections and Mr. the Yadav and senior SP leaders and attending the weddings and of the Mr. Ansari daughters and had also the flued the bus and need the united and the opens and speaking to the Hindus and Mr. the Ansari said he want other united oppositions and to take on the BJPs in Uttar Pradesh and I am the thankful and to the Akhilesh ji for making such other statement and the recent assemblies elections and result have established and that the SP is the most powerful oppositions and force in the state. The SP wanted to the utilize the Ansari family and influences in the parliamentary and seats in the Purvanchal and the districts of the Gazipur and the Varanasi and Bhalias and Mau and against the BJP and according to the Shashikant and Pandey Professor Department of the Political Science at the Baba Saheb and the Bhimrao Ambedkar University Lucknow. Akhilesh Yadav statement is self-explanatory and for the political parties electoral interested is the paramount. The statement is kind of other feelers, he said, and the both Mr. Ansari and his the brothers and the Mukhtar and have the served as other 5 times and MLAs from the Gazipur and the Mau and respectively and to the others and members of the family and were elected as the MLAs in the 2022 and assembly poll. Building peace for the BJP Eastern UP and with its the CJBs and Muslims and OBC and the Dalit voter posed and the challenge in the 2019 and Lok Sabha polls. The party lost the Ghosi and the Gazipur, Azamgarh and the Jaunpur seat to the SP and the BSP alliances, since the BJP has now strengthened itself in the region by the allying and with the SB and SP, and the SP is also the trying to the world and ties and with influences players like the Ansari and Mr. Pandey said. Maratha leader and must the false and the jarring and Patils and design, says the Bhujbal. Pune, Maharashtra cabinet minister and the others backward classes, OBC and leaders the Chagans Bhujbai and exhorted and top the Marathas and leaders in the Maharashtra and to fold the Marathas and Quatas and activist Major Manoj and the Jadeja Patil's activities, and that were the holding the state government and the public hostage, while the warnings and that the events the OBCs and could the create pressure and accuse the politicals and damage if the community and so the world and addressing other mega OBC and rally in the bid and district to the counter Mr. Jadeja and Patels and demand of the blanket and reservations and for the Maratha community and by the inclusions and under the OBC category, and Mr. the Bhujbal and the retired and that the Marathas should not be the given and the reservations and from the OBC pie, and I tell the government and that the OBC reservation should not be the affected anywhere, and it is the personalities and of this the government and to ensure it is does not happens, and Mr. the Bhujbai and the senior leader of the Deputy Chief Ministers and Ajit the Pawar rebel and NCP and factions and said the call and to the storms and Mumbai, and Mr. the Bhujbal and rally on the Saturday was other appointed and the Shri and reposted and to the Mr. the Jadeja and Patils and call for the Marathas and to the storm Mumbai cities on the January 20, and Mr. the Bhujbal and urged and the Maratha leader and to stop the Mr. and the Jadeja Patils and design ins, and they to the would be the complicity in them. CM Sindhe launched deep cleaning. The composition is theme. Maharashtra Chief Minister and the Eknath Sindhe on the Saturday kick-started the government and Sarvan Shambhakash and Swachh Abhiyans and deep the cleaning compositions in the Thane city and from the Kopineshwars and temples, and Mr. the Sindhe himself invited the brooms to the cleanse the temples and premises and referring to the Maharashtra securings. The first rank in the national cleanliness survey he appointed into the pupils and to turn he appointed to the pupils and to turn and this into other movement and ahead of the consecrations and the ceremonies at the Ram temples in the Ayodhya on the January 2020. He also directed Thane and municipal commissioners and to the extended the cleaning initiative to all the temples in the city. IAF the aircraft and breakage Odisha and men keen the weight and for his the body. Through the more than 7 years have the passed since the disappearance of the Charna Moharanas and one of the 29 persons and aboard the Indian Air Force and in the 32 transport and aircraft that had gone the missing over the Bay of Bengal in the July 2016 and his the family still awaited the body and to perform his last and rites and for all thus the years and the families did not the performs the last rites and expectings and the that the body and would be the found on day in the facts and the Charan parents are the still and hopeful of getting back the mortals and remains of their the son and their the hope have the increase after the breakage of aircraft and that the wants the missing on the July 2020 and 2016 was found at the depth of the around 3,400 meters in the Bay of the Bengal of the Chennai coast. Stelling slams and the rumors and about the sun and the Udayani Shi and elevations as the deputy CMs of the Tamil Nadu. Chennai. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on the Saturday and dismissed Ada as the rumors. The news on the media's platform and that his the sons and the ministers for youth welfare and the sports development and the Udhayanidhi and the Stalins and would soon be the elevated as the deputy CMs in the statement and here he shared Mr. the Udayani and had the shoot and the mouth of the Ramon on the mongers and by the declarings and that he and other the minister and were the working as the deputies and to the chief minister. Mr. the Stalin said the rumors and were the being spread and to defeat the enthusiasm and over the DMK youth wings and conference to be the hold in the slum on January 21 and with the aim of the protecting the right of the state and the federalism and I call upon the parties and cadre and the youth being not to the fail and pray and to the deter to the design of the rumors and mongers and who are the enemies and of the hours and the objectives and he said and in his the pongals and the greetings and Mr. the Stalin and said the rumors mongers and had also the spirit flash news and about his the wealth and I am hell and the healthy hearty and the participated and aid the Tamil and the diasporas and conferences held in the Chennai and with the greed and the enthusiasm and since they could not sell theirs the lies and they have come out and with other rumors and about the elevations of the Mr. Udayanithi and he said the chief minister said the DMK and the general civil council and had the elected him the leaders of the parties and the overwhelming and supports of the peoples and had made him and the chief minister I have the strength to the works and overs and the above and my the capacities and Mr. the Stalin said and the inclusiveness and is the basis principles of the Dravidians models of the governments and promoting the oneself and the functionings according to the whims and the fancies are dangerous to the democracy and we have to the remove and the dangers in the Lok Sabha poll and pave the ways and for the government and that will the respect the right of the state and the federalism he said. With 2 lakh job in the 70 days and Bihar ruling the alliance and ban on the big and the hole in the Lok Sabha poll. Amit Baleri. Amit Baleri, Patna. The Bihar Caste Survey and the Unemployment Generation and are the emerging as the ruling Rashtriya Janata Dal and the Janata Dal United led and the Mahagathbandhan and the alliance and principles pose the pitches is the counter downs and to this the years and general election begins with the Indian blockings and takings the cues and the pitchings. Four other nationwide and caste survey on the line of the exercise in Bihar. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and his the deputy and the Tejasvi Yadav are now and the puttings and focus on the creating job in every department. A few months ago and 17,000 requirement and were made by the Bihar police and the state government has the already announced that it would be required about 1,40,000 pupils in the health department in the day and to come in the betweens. The focus has been on the education department and with to the events in the quick successions and where's job and letters and where the distributed and to the over and to the lakes near newly and requirement teachers and over 3.6 lakhs jobs after the success of the first phase of the requirement in November 2 in which the 1,20,000 teacher and got jobs. The Bihar cabinet on the December 26 approach state government employee and status and for the lakes and contractuals and teachers and on the Saturday the state government handed over the job letters to the another 96,823 teacher. 8 other functions 8 the Gandhi and the Madan in the Patnas and bringing the totals to the 2,16,823 posts in just the 70 odd days. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Deputy Chief Minister Tejaswini Yadav are giving job letters to the newly requirement teacher and Gandhi Madan in the Patnas on Saturday. Special arrangement. In Patna, 26,925 teachers and from the 16 districts were giving job letters and at the events attended and by the both the CM and the deputy CMs and whilst the rest and were the giving by the district magistrate in their the respective district. And soon the unemployed teacher and will be the made and government teachers and they just need to the clears and the exams and our government is the busy in the cheatings. Is a large number of the jobs and until now and more than the 3.60 lakhs and job have been the given to the youth soon and we will reach and 5 lakh jobs and we will the provided more than the 10 lakhs government job and Mr. the Kumar said in his the speech and alluding to the figures and promises and by the Mr. Yadav during the 2020 assemblies and elections in which the RJD emerged and as the singles and largest party and before going on to the forms other government letters and with the JDU in the August 2020 and the CM straightened that 51% of the total appointment and made are the females and teachers and highlighting the state government and focus on the women's unemployment and on the overs and 2 lakhs newly the requirement teacher 85% from the Bihar and while the remainings are from the Rajasthan, Haryana, West Bengal, Kerala, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chandigarh and pupils hailing from the Bihar also the get and the appointed in the others state, he said in his speech. And the deputy CMs and asked the government and of the other state to the learn and from the Mr. Kumars and within the 70 days and more than 2 lakhs job and have been given by other single department. The chief minister made an announcement at the Gandhi Madan and last year on the August 15 and that he will the provide and 10 lakhs government job and the step in that the directions and have gone a the long ways and we are the distributing span and the some pupils and are the busy and the distributing as what he said in the second phase and requiring was done and for the 1.22 lakh and primary and secondary and the higher secondary teachers post in which 96,823 candidates were the successful similars of the 1.2 lakhs appointment made by the Bihar public service commissions and the teachers and were the requirement for the primary and secondary schools. Apart from this, and the 2,727 and candidates and who were the successful in the first phase and the some supplementary exam were also and giving appointed and letters at the Gandhi Maidan. Newly requirement and reachers and expressed and happiness at getting the appointment letters, and it is the big and the achievement and for us, and the credit must be the given to this the government. I will try my the utmost and teach the student, and well said the Palak Kumaris from the Bhagalpur districts. Brotherhood feeling. Ambika Sharma and from the Odisha and another successful candidate and said that theirs is other feelings and of the brotherhood as the both Bihar and the Odisha were together till the 1936 as one of the province after the years. After being separated from the Bengal's president in 1912. The opposition Bharatiya Janata Party and had the earlier alleged and that the job were like the old wines in other new bottles and pupils and who were the required and earlier were beings giving job letters now. Body of ex model missing for 11 days found in the canals. A tattoo and help the identified Divya Pahuja and who was the last seen the Haryana hotels on the January 2. Press Trust on of India Chhattisgarh. 11 days after the she was the so deed in other Guru Gram's hotels and the body of the ex model and the Divya Pahuja and was and the 11 days after and she was a short dead in other Guru Gram's hotels and the body of the ex-models and the Divya Bahuja and was the discovered and from other canals in the Haryanas and the Fatahabad districts on the Saturday. Police said the body was the recovered and based on the information provided by the accused and the Balraj Gill 28 and who alongside with the another persons and is LG to have the disposal to have disposed and of the body, and he was the arrested and from and the airport in the Kolkata on the Thursday. Police said the body and they aided was the identified and through other tattoo on the Divya bags and which could be the seen in the one of the hers and the old pictures and the Januaries and 2 and the Pahujas and was taken to the hotel Citizen Point by the 5 pupils and the shot in the head and inside of the rule because she had allegedly and the been exporting and the monies and from the hotel owners. Police personnel aid the sports and where the Divya Pahujas and body was the recovered. Abhijit Singh 56 by the blackmailings and him with his absences pictures and police and had said earlier Gurugram assist commissioners of police and crime the Baruns Kumars and the Daya said the Divyas and bodies was recovered and from the subsidiaries canals of the Bhakra canals in the Fatahabad Tohana CCTV footage and from the hotel and the shore the accused purportedly and the drugging other body and braved in other while seat through the lobby. Goa murders man and the Kilvi. Man says and he was not and allowed to meet soon the praise and trust of India Panji. The estranged and the husband of the Sushna Seth and the L. The start-up and the CEO and the accused of the killings and her the 4 years old child on the Saturday and reportedly and told. And Goa police and she had not and the allowed and him to the meet and there the child and for the past 5 years. 5 Sundays and the Venkat Ramans and the arrived and ate the chalan. Good and the police and the stations in the afternoons and from the Bangalores and to record his the statement and before the investigatings and officers IU and the Paris snake and is the part of the probe and MS the set is the alleged to have the smooth head her son and to the death in other service apartment and in the condolence limb and in the north was and packed his the corpse in the bag and the held a taxi to go back to the Bangalore and but was arrested midway and on the January 8th according to the police and while Mr. Ramans and refused to the speaks to the medias and his laws and said the formers and was the number with the grieve and he can deed for his son and but will the now and have to the leave without him and my the client have no claims and for the justice and for himself and for the child and the labor said. Ravindra meet Goyal and seeks nod for the industrial corridors. Telangana Chief Minister Ada Ravindra and Reddy on the Saturday. On Saturday, sourced the approvals and of the Union Minister for the Industries and the Commerce and Piyush Goyal and for other new industrial corridors and connecting the Hyderabad and to the Vijaywadas and view the Miria Langud and Mr. the Reddy and stress the significant of the final cleanliness and for the proposed and the Hyderabad Nagpur Industrial Corridor estimating other substantials and benefits of the 2,300 and crores and 2. Telangana if cleared by the central government and the Kapu leaders and the Padmanabh and the likely to join the Jan Sena and the party. Amid speculations and that the Kapu leaders and the Madra Gadas and the Padman Bhav and was all set to join the rulings and the YSRCP and either Jan Sena parties and the delegations and led by the Boli Setti and the Srinivas and made the Kapu leaders on the Saturday. Addressing the media as the Mr. Srinivas said the Mr. Padmanabhav and has in the principles and giving nod to join the JSP's party and Chief Pawan Kalyans and has also the decided to meet the Mr. Padmanabhav and before the January 23 and to invite him and into the party. Kerala government eyes and UDF supported over the centrals and the discriminations. Chief Minister Pinarayi and Vijayana and is the planning to the discuss with the leaders of the opposition and the Sethi Sen and the deputy leaders of the oppositions and the Kun Halikutti the financial situation of the state tomorrow. The Hindu Bureau. Trivandrum. The Left Democratic and Democratic Fronts LDF. The Left Democratic Front LDF government in Kerala is hoping to the hope in the supreme from the oppositions. Opposition United Democratic Fronts and UDF in the bid and to project the unity and against the center alleges criminal and police towards the state and Chief Minister Pinaki Vijayan. Pinaki Vijayan will hold talk and with the leader of the opposition and VD the Satishan and the deputy leaders of the opposition and PK the Kunhali Kutti and 8 the 10 a.m. on the Mondays. In other brief notes and Mr. the Vijayan and the office and indicated and that the meetings and was the planned in the contact of the union government persist. Neglected and the wrong approached and the towards the Kerala's and that had the exceeded and all the limits and Mr. the Sathi Shan told the Hindus and that he and the misters and the Kunhali Kutti and expected the invitations and the would attend the meeting in which is the plane in online mode and B will the attend it the scenes and it means to be the discuss and the financial situations of the state. At the same time and the UDF and is other clears and as to the reasons for the present financial difficulties and Mr. the Sethi Sons and said and LDF and the conveners and EP and the Jaya Rajans and said the Monday in meetings and would the discuss and the overall the situation and faded by the state Mr. the Jaya Rajans and said ruling was other need and for the ruling oppositions. Ruling opposition parties in the state and to the put up other united front against the friendly center policies and multi-contact in the in including the extended and stand off between the LDF and government and the center on the specific issues and related to the state finance and lending the significant to the Monday meeting. The state government has accused the UDF and the MLF MDS of the failing to support its bid and to the raise and the state demands and before the center and in the parliament. Shoot in apex and code and the last December and the state and government had the field other shoot in the Supreme Court believing the BJP and led the centers and governments for the violatings and federal's principles and the tryings and to the harms and the state economic and the apex code and has now issues and either summons and to the center on its while the LDF and the government and blames the financial and the crutch and on the unjust and the denials of the Kerala's and rightfuls and the shares of the revenues by the central and the UDF and says that the only and part of the story and Mr. the Satishans and the UDF and has the within and the outside the assembly and the consistencies and accused the ruling LDF and of the pushing the state and into the crisis and the toxins and through the financial and mismanagement and the unbridled and the spending and the should tax collection. Won't rest and till the more and the Moscow and the reclaimed and the Anant Kumars and Hegle, Hindu Bureau, Bangalore, the Uttara and the Kannadas and MP. The Anant Kumars and the Hegde and said on the Saturday and that the Hindu and the community want rest till it the reclaims and more the mosques and on the lines of the Babri Masjid and shittings the structures in the Bhatkals and the Shirshi and the Sri Ran Patna in the Karnatakas and the controversials. And BJP leader was the speaking at a private meeting 8. the Kumta in the Uttara and the Kannadas and districts in the contact of the Januaries. 22 consecrations and 8 the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The 4 minutes and the video is the speech and has the gone and virals and I have know the issues and even if some the calls. This are the thread and but this are the decisions of the Hindu community. He said and Mr. Hagley also said and that the Congress and was not the oppositions to the BJP, but it was the Chief Minister and the Sidra and the Maha in other democracy parties and come and the go and that is the naturals. And but ours the oppositions and is to the known and the Hindu mindsets and like that of the Siddharas and the Maha. He said the address. Addressing the chief minister in the singulars and the mimicking him. When asked about the BJP leader and comment Mr. the Siddharamaiah Ramma and later in the day and told the reporters nothing the better and could be the expected and from other person and who said they have come to the powers and only to the change the constitution and home and minister G and the Parameswaras and said that the attempt and to the diswords and peace in the state and would not be the tolerated and Mr. the Haglian who had maintained other low and the profiles and for the last couples of the years and due to his the rumored and ill health and has made the comebacks and amid the speculations and that he the would not be giving the tickets and for the Lok Sabha's election. BJP MP and from the Uttara and the Kannadas and says his the opposition was to the non-Hindu mindsets like that the Karnataka CM Siddharamaiah. From page 1 Ayodhya, Moscow and to be the better Taj Mahal. Taj. We will have and water lying. We will have the water playing in the sign and with the azan and players and inside the mosque and the light of the mosque will come on the sunset and go off at the sunrise automatically and we will also have other grand fish and the aquariums and bigger than and that of the Dubai and for the youth and said Mr. the Sikh special song are being recorded ahead and of the mosque constructions and Mr. Sikh and said the Vijay Bikram Singh and the boys over the artist made popular by the TV series and Big Boss and will be the engineer and to make the small videos and are related and to the mosque and for the quicks and the circulations and the simultaneously and the Ram Mandir and the construction committee is planning and to make other similar film with other boys over by the Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. The Sheikh was appointed in this the role and by the Jafar Ahmad and Faruqi and the president of the IICF and the trust formed by the Uttar Pradesh and the Sunni Central Baf both to the but the mosque in the Ayodhya and he was the also and made other trustee and in the IIFC and one of its the other advisors and last years and Mr. The Sheikh and who is the former chairpersons of the Maharashtra and state the commissioners for the minorities and also the objected to the name of the mosques and the masjid Ayodhya and has changes and it to the Muhammad and bin the Abdullah and masjid and named after the prophet. He classified that the IIFC and will not go and the do run for the donations and but will the launch a website in the do run for the donation and but will the launch other website in the late February on or the yearly and March and with the QR code for easy donation and this is the unlikely and the Vishwa and Hindu the Parishad and 45 days and long the nationwide and Ram Temple Nidhi and the Samarpan and the composition in 2021 to the fund they raised, and from for the Ram temples, and the organizations had the collected about the 2100 and crores from the goings and door-to-door. Ayodhya is the biggest subjected in India, and the constructions of the both the temples and the mosque will aid the tension among the communities, and we will ensure and with the Ayodhya become the finished example of the Ganga and Jamuni and the Tehzeeb and the refinement, and said the Mr. Sheikhs and Eadings that he will advertising the Ayodhya's mosque and projected to the extended there the everyone and who comes to see the Ram temples and will also the visit the mosque. Thank you guys, bye bye.